For this family trip, we made our way to San Antonio on the 4th of July to explore two of its most famous spots, the Alamo and the Riverwalk. Our first stop was the Alamo, where we got to walk through a piece of Texas history. The kids were able to see the historic grounds, ask questions, and learn outside of the textbook. It was a simple but meaningful reminder that history feels different when you're standing right where it happened. The president himself. Okay, and you're digging his nose. Honey.
Watch this geek say, ready? Geek say, look, I don't see it to your thumbs.
Come on, Kiki.
Boy, you don't want to do that, Pam.
Okay, let's go.
Nobody. Hey, you want? King, you want?
Hey,
Yeah.
King say,
King, they come down over here.
you want juice?
King Lee. King Lee, you want? You want AC?
That's Geek say.
You want? You want AC?
Down.
But I want
You
to
said
fight.
over here.
No, here. Like this.
James
She didn't
Bowie.
even point.
No, wait, this is the guy that made Bowie knives. James Bowie.
I know what's
Cheers.
that.
I have a Bowie knife. James Bowie. He made Bowie knives.
He made your knife that you have. Tell him make me one in the spirit.
It's Bowie knives. They're well known.
He's dead already. Oh, and? Brother's name still lives on. He obviously
You guys want to wait, take a picture, or after?
Now we can. You take a picture.
Oh, you're saying. You know how I just.
Sorry about that, brother.
I like the hats.
That's good.
Thank you. Good look, guys.
Where you put the other one in the bag?
Agents called impresarios to bring in immigrants from the United States. The most successful impresario is Stephen F. Austin.
What is that? What is that? After visiting the Alamo, we made our way to the Riverwalk. The views were beautiful, the atmosphere was lively, and everything felt extra special with it being the 4th of July. We walked, explored, enjoyed the sights, and took in the energy of San Antonio.
Alu. And come on.
This trip was a mix of history, family time, and holiday fun. From the Alamo to the Riverwalk, it was another memory made together, learning, exploring, and celebrating the 4th of July in San Antonio.
Double whammy. 2 rack of ribs. 2 taco salads.